Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Design with Terry. That's the name of my channel. Today is the first intro video of this YouTube channel. What this channel is about is purposely to talk about what is happening in the creative arts industry. And when we say the creative arts industry, it includes advertisement, art, craft, design, fashion, film, music, performing arts, publishing, R&D, softwares, games, toys, TV, radio, all that you can mention up. So this channel is purposely is supposed to help you get updates on the creative arts industry and some things that you need to know in order to fit into this industry. But hey, that's not what we are about today. We are here to start with designing. We want to get to know and familiarize ourselves with Adobe software, and then we would move forward. We would move to Dreamweaver, Audition, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and all that. But today, let's start with Adobe Photoshop. But one may ask, why Adobe? Actually, that is my preferred software for beginners who want to start learning how to design. But we don't only have Photoshop, we only have some other softwares. Some softwares include the CorelDRAW, Sketch, Inkscape, Cinema 4D, Affinity Designer, GNU Image Manipulation Program, etc. But the preferred software that I would recommend for my viewers is the Adobe Photoshop. This is because I personally like this software, and it's like almost the standard software for designing in the creative arts industry. Alright, so enough of that. Alright, let's get to today's business, Photoshop. So as you can see on my screen, we are coming to open Photoshop. For those of you who may not have the software, please leave a comment in the comment section so that I will attend to you after this video. Alright, so we have here our recent files, some of the projects I've been working on of late. Let's open a new document. Let's start with a new project. So you click on new, and then when this dialog box opens, there are some few details that you have to pay attention to. Here is actually the name of your document, so let's name our document Hello World. Alright, and so we have our width over here, we have our height over here. These are the units of measurement that we have. So for the sake of this video, let's use inches. And then with the orientation, we have portrait and we have landscape. And one may ask, what does this artboard do? The artboard means that you can open one document with two or more canvas. And then with the resolution, the preferable resolution for screen 72, or for web, leave the rest to the RGB mode, and basically leave the rest mode. But we have default sizes that you can actually choose. We have A3, we have A5, we have A6, we have A4. So let's create our document. Great. So this is the interface of Photoshop, and that place is called the menu bar. The menu bar contains the file, the edit, the image, filter type, windows. We get to know what each does as we move forward. And then we have our options bar. The options bar to have some options that you can work with when you are using some things. And this is our document tab. This is the name of our document, Hello World. Alright, here we have the layer palette, and we have the property palette. This section is actually called the toolbar. Here is our status bar. Okay, alright, so let's mention the names of the tools one by one. This is the move tool, that is called the rectangular mark tool. That is called the lasso tool, the magic wand tool, crop tool, eyedropper tool, spot healing, brush tool, clone stamp, history brush, eraser tool, paint bucket, blur, dodge, pen, tangle tool, the hand tool, the zoom tool. So this white area, let me zoom in so that you can see. So this white area is called a canvas, and that is the working area. So this area will contain all our composition. All right, so with a move tool, for instance, if I have a rectangle over here, with a move tool, as I have selected, I can move the object around. So that is the function of the move tool. With the rectangular mark tool, it is used for selection. Whenever you see lines moving in motion like this, it means that you are in a selection mode. And then the same applies to the lasso tool. So the magic wand tool is also used for selection, but this time around for images or for objects with high contrast. When I say contrast, the ability to distinguish clearly between the foreground and the background of a picture or an object that you come to place here. We also have the spot healing brush tool, and then clone stamp. So these tools are actually used for retouching the unwanted spots in an image. We have the eraser, as we are all familiar with, and the paint bucket tool, as most of us will be familiar with, will actually help you fill color. For instance, let me select a blue color. I fill the whole canvas with paint bucket tool. And then we have the blur tool. As we move on, you will understand what this tool is used for. It's actually used for blurring images. And then we have the dodge tool. It is accompanied by the burn tool, and it's applicable with light and shadows. The pen tool actually helps us illustrate, and is also used for selection. The type tool helps us with our typography, that is font selection, font style, font size, font color, and all that. So let's type the name of our document, hello world. Alright, that is the use of the type tool. The rectangle tool, as I demonstrated earlier with the move tool, is used to draw shapes. So let's draw any rectangle of our choice. Alright, so the next tool is the hand tool. The hand tool actually helps you to move around the canvas. So the parts of the canvas where you cannot see when you are in a zoom mode, the hand tool actually helps you see that part by clicking and dragging it to your desired place. And the zoom tool actually helps you zoom in, zoom out. So that is the function of the zoom tool. Alright, so guys, I hope this video helped you. At least you have an overview of what these tools does. In our subsequent videos, we will delve deep into it and see the various functions of each tool. So stay tuned for our next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, or leave a comment in the comment section. So until we meet again, it's bye for now.